Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you can access Quizizz as a teacher. Sign in with your school SSO or link Google/Microsoft. Once signed in, choose the quiz type, formative, exit ticket, or homework, and set points and time limits so students know expectations. Next, gather content. Aim for 10 to 20 questions and include images or 1 to 2 quick polls to check understanding. While you create, preview question settings and question types so you don't have to redo pacing later. Now you build questions and configure how students interact. Add a mix, multiple choice for quick checks, checkbox for multiple correct answers, and open response for deeper thinking. Include polls for class temperature checks. Make sure to add images and brief explanations for feedback, enable answer shuffling to limit copying, and set timers per question based on complexity. Finally, tag each question with grade level or standards so you can search and reuse the quiz in future lessons. You're ready to launch. Select live, practice, or homework mode, then share the code or link and clearly state time limits and expectations. Once underway, monitor the live dashboard for student pace, heat map results, and question-level analytics so you can intervene quickly. After the quiz, review reports and export scores if needed. If issues arise, first ask students to refresh or reconnect. If problems persist, reassign the link or restart the session. This usually resolves syncing or access errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.